And I have carburetors here from a small engine. It happens to be a pressure washer, a Ryobi pressure washer with a Honda GCV190. And so this is the old one, and it just stopped working. And so you can clean these out and try to tune them up as much as you can. Take the jets out, take the rings out, adjust the, you can just clean it out, but it just may not solve the problem of starting. And so from HIPA, here is this carburetor that's a perfect match. Everything is the same. Okay. It's even got an adjustment screw right here. That's what the back looks like. But everything you need. Okay, so you got the carburetor comes with it, and then also a new spark plug. So here's the new spark plug. This is an NGK BPR6ES, and then this is the BP6C, but same spark plug. You also get a hose. Here's the old hose, new hose. You might have to adjust that or trim that. And then also comes with the gaskets and things. So here's the new one. Here's the old one. This is kind of like a heat shield. Okay. Then you get all these extra gaskets that you can fit on the sides of the carburetor itself, whichever ones you need. Now we'll replace these, and then also an air filter. So here's the original air filter. Here's the new one. And you can kind of just tell the difference. This is a little bit better made quality. And then also has a, I guess, the sponge type air filter, so you could use that as well. But great carburetor. Going to make that engine start up and fire up, and you're not going to waste time cleaning it out and doing all that. So could highly recommend from HIPA if you need a carburetor. This one works probably for a lot of different small engines, but this is the one you need. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.